this the largest setup you've ever done?
Probably like one of my second largest.
Yeah.
Because I think it might be my largest one, but I haven't done any like.
What?
Perfect. That's good.
What
Okay.
is this shape over here? What would you call it?
This?
Yeah.
I don't know if this will work or anything. It probably won't actually. And I don't trust you over here because it's a little tight.
Okay, so you're gonna fill in all the safety gaps now.
I really don't
What
know.
are the safety gaps for, Colton?
I'll tell you right now because my mom actually knocked over a couple. Okay, I don't think this will work that well because
You don't think it's gonna work? Well, we'll see. Okay, you gotta do that safety gap, right?
I'll do the safety gap for you, Colton, okay?
Dad's gonna do this one.
tight one right here.
Okay.
I bet that I can do this one really well, easily. That's probably the right word, easily. I bet that would be easier if I did it over here.
Now I'm gonna do this safety gap right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably like maybe my biggest diamond project, maybe not. So it's going in 3, 2, 1. Hopefully this works.